All right, go for it. Whenever you're ready. Told you.
That was the weakest hit I could even try to hit.
I told you.
I felt bad for even hitting them, dude. That was the weakest hit
It was
in my book.
Sit down. It'd be best to let. What do you have to say about?
Can't breathe. That was my weakest hit, too. Here, let me give you your 2 cigarettes right now. That's how we do it.
That's my
Here's
nigga.
your 2 cigarettes.
That's my nigga. That's my nigga.
Did we not tell you? Did we not warn you?
Yeah. It was.
One more time, but harder, and I'll give you my whole pack. But a little bit harder.